With the active price list, you can view the entries of each document in the price list editor. In fact, in this case, we are viewing the item entries in the document's price list editor. Active price list has specific features that allow you to group items into chapters according to a defined structure, or even display the individual superchapters, chapters, or subchapter structure. Returning to standard grouping mode, we can see how the entries are now arranged according to the rate code. If we want to change that order, simply select Description. To switch back to ordering by rate, simply select Rates. We can also choose whether or not to see the extended item descriptions. We also have further options that allow us to display the description distributed over multiple lines. So as you can see, it's the user that decides how to display the data in the active price list depending on his needs. At the bottom of the active price list editor, we also have the search bar with its dynamic search options. Simply insert the text that you're looking for in the search field here below, and notice how the text is dynamically highlighted when found. By clicking the Search Next button to the right, you can see that the cursor will reposition itself on each item that contains the text that was typed in the search field. Again, on the far right, we have further options which allow us to access a dialog with the advanced search options. For each field, let's say for tariff, description and price, you can also define the search criterion by selecting it in the menu. This is activated by buttons on the right of each individual field. Once a criterion has been set, it is reported in the search field, and the button to the right, just as seen before, allows you to navigate between the items which have been found. A simple mouse click within the search field interrupts the advanced search process. For each item, the rate code, description, units of measurement and the unit price are returned for use within the BOQ document, and also shows the summary composed of the quantity and the total amount. The default active price list is retractable, which means that by performing any other operation, for example a simple drag and drop operation on an item for example, or even a simple click on the document, it will close automatically. If we want to fix the active price list in position and keep it active, just select the fixing pin at the top right. The two windows are now fixed in place and can be freely sized, one in relation to the other. At this point, we can get an item from the active price list window and drag it into our estimate or bill of quantities document. Simply confirm the data relating to the measurement, maybe edit the measurements, and notice how the active price list window has remained in place. To unlock the window, simply click on the pin again to release the window docking position, and notice how at this time, by repeating the drag and drop operation, the window this time automatically closes.